We have put this conference together. We do it every year. This year is definitely bigger and better. I'm very happy to see you all here. It's a really wonderful, wonderful conference.
The New York, New Jersey meeting is home. I've been involved in the society for over 11 years. It is a pleasure to come to this meeting every time.
We are at a wonderful symposium here in New York City. And I've been coming to this meeting for as long as it's existed. It's one of my favorite weekends of the year. I think the agenda in this meeting is twofold. Number one is education. All physicians need to be kept up to date on all of the latest technologies and techniques. Number two, it's a chance for collaboration and for cooperation.
It's one of my favorite meetings during the year for a few reasons. One, it's local and it's kind of a very epicenter location where many of my colleagues from all over the country as well as the world come here to speak about different topics and discuss different topics related to our field.
There are so many physicians, nurse practitioners, physician assistants in the area that all come together. It's amazing to get other people's perspectives on the upcoming topics in pain management.
We're regional here in New York, but we have an international following, and it's something that you're going to get information on every aspect that you really want to have from pain medicine. And the experts were all here, we're around, it's very collegial, we get to talk to each other over drinks, over lunch. It's something that you shouldn't miss.
The New York, New Jersey Interventional Pain Conference has been a highlight of the yearly events, and what we have here today is a unique combination of academic and practical conversations.
Just really excited to be seeing all of our colleagues and friends from around the country. We really have a terrific program. We're talking about just really up-to-date, cutting-edge technology, great training for fellows and our attendings as well. So just really a terrific meeting.
I would like to say that this is a great opportunity for residents and fellows to get involved with not only the advocacy and the policy efforts which NYSIPP is doing.
Currently, I'm the course director or co-course director with Dr. Neil Mehta for the Fellows Program, which is a pre-conference. This is an exciting program for all the fellows and residents to get exposure to the world of pain medicine, but also thought leaders from around the world that come in to help guide about the fellowship programs, but also what to expect after fellowship.
The symposium in general is extremely educational. Specifically in the NPPA conference, we have a lot of ACPs that come and talk about different interventional pain modalities as well as different opioid modalities. And everyone kind of comes together to really discuss a lot about pain management and the best ways to care for our patients.
Multidisciplinary that covers every topic, every domain of interventional pain management. The main reason for young doctors to come here because there are so many gurus in interventional pain management. So we can get the face-to-face experience sharing and learn from the real experts. I will encourage my young colleagues to sign up this meeting next year.
The value of internationalism is extremely important. Accessibility to New York, New Jersey, Sudhir's connections throughout the world have made this a very important and special meeting that people want to come to the meeting because of the vast amount of information that is given to everyone here.
I find this to be the most outstanding conference that I go to. This needs to be a model for all pain conferences.
As expected, this meeting is getting warmer and warmer every year. And one of my favorite parts is just seeing everybody and enjoying the science of it all to improve patient care.
Every year this conference keeps getting better and better. It's truly an international conference, great ideas, a great faculty from around the globe. This is truly a meeting of amazing academic exchange of knowledge and great networking.
And let me tell you something, if you want to learn from the absolute best in the world, they are collected here at the New York, New Jersey Pain Symposium. You have experts like this gentleman. You can learn from them. It's things that they do not do in the United States.
It's been an amazing, amazing conference. I think the topics have been very, very top-notch. And we've got fantastic faculty, and I think overall it's a great networking event.
As a young physician, to gain knowledge in a central area from so many vast providers of clinical experience is monumental to appreciating the levels of education. So if you were a young physician as a fellow, to come here and actually appreciate who's teaching and why they're teaching these actual procedures is something that you should never pass up.
New York is a very big place, but it's also a very small place, especially in pain medicine. And we are so eager to be able to build that warmth, that amazing fund of knowledge with faculty from all over the country and even all over the world.
Join us, and hopefully we'll see you and get to catch up.
I encourage everybody to come to this meeting whenever they can. It's a great opportunity to network and learn.
Welcome to New York and New Jersey.